we're back with another video, and today we're going to season up some stew beef. List of ingredients that we have are paprika, complete seasoning, we have some turmeric, I'm gonna drizzle some olive oil on it, we have a Maggi jerk and all-purpose, I have some this sauce, we have some bay leaf over there. Right here I have a piece of rosemary with some thyme leaf. We have pepper, onion, tomato, and in this bowl we have garlic, pimento seed, and piece of ginger. So let's get into this video, guys. So the first thing I'm gonna do is drizzle a little olive oil on the beef. I'm gonna go in with some rosemary and thyme. I'm gonna crush ginger, pimento, garlic. So you don't have to do it too fine, but you just wanna crush them a bit. Right. This, so we're going to add that. I'm going with 2 bay leaves. You know, like I add some onion, and that is using a cutting board. It's not too safe. I'm going about half of this because I'm going to season it up. I'm going to season it again when we're close to the finishing of the dish. If you ever see all my end over the tripod for cut up this, oh no, believe. My God. Slice it out 2 times and then leave the other half to complete the dish. Right, so the onion, the tomato. A lot of people don't like use tomato, it's optional, you don't have to. It's a stew, so I don't mind using tomato. To me, tomato don't add or take away from a dish. That is just my opinion. So because me have tomato from gardening, so you know where I use that up. Got say they have piece more, so I get this in it too. And then we're going with the pepper. So we are going with the seed and all. Guys, and please wash your hand after you do this. That's how I say use a cutting board or use a gloves. Anything will work better for me. I'll work with that. I'm gonna go in with some of this sauce. Just a little bit. And then we're going with the Maggi all-purpose, the Maggi jerk, I swear my sister likes it to move a while ago. We're going to add some turmeric, not too much, along with some paprika. Going to add some complete seasoning. Let's go in and give this a good mix. stir everything properly. And guys, the best result always marinating meat. Alright, overnight best. A day before, 2 days before, good enough. So show this some love. You know it look yellow, but like I brown it off. Straight down, so I get that brown color. Yeah, well seasoned. So we're gonna cover this and set it in the refrigerator until tomorrow. One thing, you know, man, we don't like cling wrap, you know, because wait for cling, it now cling. You can't bother the bullshit. Anyway, just gonna cover this. Okay. We're gonna refrigerate this. So we're back with our video. Let me just take this off. Happy Sunday, happy to be alive and well, and I'm in a good mood, so that's nice, cause you know, forget the food nice, we're in a good mood. So first thing we're gonna do is turn on the stove and remove the pot cover. I'm gonna make the pot heat up. I'm also gonna grab some oil. I'm gonna add some oil to the pot. And allow that to heat. And so we're gonna go in. I'll move the season out for the meat. You know, I get everything, you know, but you know what I mean. So remove the seasoning. Then add them to the pot. And I think you develop the best flavor when you stir your meat first before you start stewing it. Hold on. Okay, we'll make that sear off and then we'll come back. Okay, so then we'll bring it in. So you want to get a little color. So we're going to remove some of the meat in from the pan and add them to a separate bowl. I'm just gonna do that. going with another set. Should I go put on gloves there? Because I know I'm hand mess up, but I also need to get them in the pot. So guys, I used one of these cubes. It looks like this. So I just put one in this bowl, add some hot water, and then I'm gonna take a little of this better than bouillon roast beef base. I'm going to add it to it. I'm just gonna add it to the hot water. I'm gonna leave it there for it to melt, and then I'll come back. I'm gonna come and turn it, you know. Just gonna combine everything because we're gonna add this to the beef later on. Alright, so we're gonna remove this from the pot. Go in and add your seasoning. And literally go and just fry up that. So trust the process here. Try it and let me know the difference. And when you use a clean pot and you use the same pot, by the time you add some water to this, it's gonna lift all of this. And this is all of the flavor. So don't trash it. And that's all I'm gonna say. Do what else you want to do, but I'm just giving it that tip because I think it's necessary. I'm gonna add some tomato paste to this. I also want that to fry. Going with this mixture that we made earlier. We're just gonna add it. add that and just make it come together a little bit. So what I normally does also is use some warm water, add it to the dish, rinse the dish with it to get all of the seasoning, and then we add it to the pot. So now I'm gonna add the beef to the sauce. I'll cover this and we're gonna make it slow cook. A little bit tough, but not bad. We're gonna add some water to the pot. What? Not one time. Now let's check. Some of them tough, some of them soft, but I guess by the time this go down a little more, this should be good. Actually, I'll go in with the seasoning now, onion, bell peppers. Going with a spatula because I really want to break the meat them up some more and something what can angle it. A little delicate. Them kind of break up. I'll do that instead. Now in a couple of minutes, this should be good. So the beef is pretty much done. Once you go down to your desired thickness, then you're all set. Guys, hope you enjoyed this video and thanks for watching. Bye.